Congratulations on making it to day 10 of the 24-day Python coding challenge. Today, we're taking a step back to review everything we've covered so far and put your knowledge to the test with a challenging task. What we've learned so far. Day 1, Introduction to Python and Setting Up the Environment. Learn the basics of Python, why it's a great language, and how to install Python and set up an editor like VS Code or Pycharm. Day 2, Variables, Data Types, and Basic Operators. Explored how to store and manipulate data using variables. Covered different data types like integers, floats, strings, and booleans, and used operators, plus, dash, asterisk, /, etc., to perform calculations. Day 3, User Input and Type Conversion. Learned how to take user input using input, and convert it to different data types, e.g., converting a string to an integer using int. Day 4, Conditional Statements, if, elif, else. Discovered how to make decisions in Python using if, elif, and else. These statements allow the program to execute different blocks of code based on conditions. Day 5, Loops, for and while. Learned how to repeat actions using loops. The for loop is used for iterating over sequences, while the while loop runs as long as a condition remains true. Day 6, Functions and Parameters. Explored how to create reusable blocks of code with functions. Learned about function parameters, return values, and the difference between local and global variables. Day 7, Lists, creating, accessing, and modifying. Introduce lists, which store multiple items in an ordered way. Learned how to add, remove, and access elements using indexes. Day 8, Tuples, immutable data structures. Similar to lists, but tuples are immutable, cannot be changed after creation. Use tuples to store fixed collections of data. Day 9, Dictionaries, key-value pair storage. Learned about dictionaries, which store data in key-value pairs. Explored how to add, update, remove, and loop through dictionary elements efficiently. Today's challenge, build a student management system. Using everything you've learned so far, create a student management system that allows users to add new students, store names, ages, and scores using a dictionary. Update student details, modify their scores using dictionary operations. Display all students, print the list of students and their details. Calculate and display the average score of all students. Find and display the student with the highest score. Allow the user to exit the system using a loop. This challenge is a great way to apply everything you've learned and get comfortable using Python to solve real-world problems. Are you up for it? Submit your solution and discuss. Drop your solution in the community and share your progress.